For the next 5 months, my ship is circling around the world, visiting 5 continents and stopping in 42 different countries. Hi, my name is Paige. I work on a luxury cruise ship as a singer-dancer, and welcome to my World Cruise series. I'm so excited to share these adventures and stories with you. It's going to be a wild and life-changing experience, so I hope you will all subscribe and tag along with me as I journey around the world. Good morning, everyone! We have made it to Europe finally after sailing all around the world. We are in the Canary Islands. This is Tenerife, and we are ported in Santa Cruz, and it is such a gorgeous day already. Andrea and Taylor and I are planning on renting a car and driving all around the island. There's just so many beautiful places here. I couldn't just stay in the town that's right beside the port. I just have to go to the mountains. There's the 3rd largest volcano in the world. I'm so excited. It looks stunning. I'm gonna go get ready. Let's have a great day in Canary. Our car for the day. And look, she says 111. We're free from the ship. This feels so normal, it's awesome. Chilly up here, so I've stolen Andrea's jacket. Thankfully he brought one. Yeah, this is just like the coolest thing ever. The national park is centered on Mount Teide, which is Spain's highest mountain and the world's 3rd largest volcano. The park covers an area of 18,990 hectares, and it was also named a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2007. The landscape here that has been formed from the lava flows is very thin but nutrient and mineral-rich soil that supports a very diverse plant species. We saw so many beautiful flowers and cacti along our way today. Many of them are endemic to this island. We've just been driving down the road, enjoying the incredible scenery, and we just found another little stop and lookout point. And this one you can kind of wander around a bit more, so we're gonna keep exploring, but wow. This whole place is just so freaking beautiful. Look at this volcanic rock. We're on a volcano! Adventure! And, oh, I forgot to say, we have a surprise show tonight! Yay. So a guest entertainer isn't coming, so now they threw our Blazing Boots show on, so volcano by day, Blazing Boots by night. to the next lookout point. Wow, it's so cool. We're getting closer to the volcano. So cute, they painted literally everything. Like this place. We had some yummy food in a very interesting place. And now we have to go back to the ship, unfortunately. I wish we could keep driving around all day. Okay, so we literally just made it back. It is 4:42. The tech run starts at 5. This is not ideal, but it happens. So I'm getting changed very fast, and then warming up, and then doing the last tech run of our last show of our contract. I've never changed so fast in my life. We made it to tech. Trying to get my props preset really quick. And then it's go time. Okay, not gonna lie, I feel really tired after this day. I know all we did was drive around, and we walked a bit like once we got off at certain lookout points, but something about being in the car just makes me so sleepy. And then we kind of rushed back, did the tech. The tech went fine. I had a 10-minute nap. Then I went to the mess for dinner. Didn't eat that much. There wasn't so much good stuff there tonight. But now I'm getting my makeup on for the show. I'm super glad that I ventured off today with Andrea and Taylor. It was really fun. This is somewhere that I definitely want to come back to and see more of the island. I'm so grateful that we got to see what we did. I'm really glad that I didn't just stay in the city center. This is like my own personal view, but I would much rather go off on an adventure and see some natural sights than just to go to a restaurant for brunch or to a mall or something like that. Time for my makeup. We made it to the theater for the last time. This is so weird and bittersweet. Like, I just want to have fun and not think about it too much, because I can get really sentimental very easily. Reset costume? Check. Yeah, have a beer! I haven't actually read all the things that are on this wall. Boots, boys, beer. Tell myself, hates my wing check, her perfume. Thank you. Last word.
Dollar bills and it kills and it thrills.
I'm trying to get the blazing boots sign of the box. Is this cute?
And out by the bar, double round and pound, and out by the scanning down in this town, ain't never gonna be the same.
Oh my gosh, Kai, you're so cool!
Yeah, you look cool.
Kyling, everyone, follow him on Instagram. Ah!
Woo! Like a Lego. Yes, work it.
Aw, Paige.
Last show together.
I know.
I'm sad.
Sad.
Hi, guys. Last show. Last one, best one.
Yeah, let's do this.
I'm so excited. Let's burn the house down.
Woo!
Yeehaw!
Blazing boots. Right. I nearly fell. Wait, guys.
It's not over.
Shit. Pretty grateful.
I'm like, look at you guys.
Oh my god, hi, Paige's vlog.
Last one. My black tracks. I know, you look like an alien. Yeehaw.
Taylor.
Commander. Is that Taylor? She's the commander.
I think we're ready. Yeah.
We're ready.
Of course,
Last
always.
show.
Commander says we're ready.
Ooh, it's not a photo. Okay.
That's a video. That's a video. Last show. Where's the howdy?
Howdy, and welcome to the Constellation Theater. Like all fine establishments, we have some rules. No shoes, no shirts, no drumming. So belly up to our bar and get ready for the hottest show on the high seas, Blazing Boots.
Okay, backstage. Everyone just cross your fingers that Paige doesn't go wrong again. You know, she remembers her marks, remembers her lyrics. Just things like that, really, you know?
One more song to go. Last one. It's really over. I'm like, that's so good.
I'll miss you guys.
It's so fun. It's just like a fun show, you know?
Left it all on the floor.
We did. We left those boots place. Now we're sweaty. Let's take this shit off. Hi, you guys, it's over. What the heck? I'm like kind of freaking out. It's really done. We did our last production show ever on this ship. That is just like so weird. I'm like trying not to cry. Oh my god. I am so ready for this contract to be over. It's been really long and hard and challenging, and I grew a lot from it, so I mean, I'm not saying it in a bad way. But ooh, that finish line I'm really excited for. But my favorite part about being here is doing the shows. So now that that part's over, I'm like really sad. Because like I've mentioned before, I'm doing handover, so I'm still here for about like 2.5 more weeks, but none of that involves performing. But yeah, it was just such a blast. I feel like we all really just gave it our all and had so much fun with it. And our favorite World Cruise guests were in the audience, even though there were maybe like 30 of them. We really, really appreciate they come to every show. And if any of you are watching, I miss you and I hope you're doing well. But yeah, I'm gonna try and soak up my emotions and go to the mess for some after show food and to celebrate with the cast. Okay, I'll catch you probably tomorrow. Okay, good night. Buongiorno! Today we are docked in the port of ARRECIFE, another one of the Canary Islands in Spain, and Andrea and I are going to explore the town and see where the day takes us.
They on the islands of the Canary Islands.
Where?
Flag.
Oh, that's cool.
We were here yesterday
Oh yeah,
and we are here today.
cool. You didn't want to buy a big boat?
Yeah, wish.
Much needed coffee today. We found this super awesome 100% vegan restaurant for lunch, and she made me this amazing fruit veggie juice. I forget everything she said she put in it, quite a lot, like strawberries, apple, pear, beetroot, carrot, orange. I'm excited to try. Very good, very good. How are you gonna eat that? It's so big. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Avocado and hummus. Andrea's resorted to his fork because it's too big. We had a really nice time walking around ARRECIFE, getting some delicious food and kind of just relaxing and enjoying the beautiful architecture and plants and whatnot. We kind of wish that we rented bikes though, or took bikes off the ship, because there's some really, really awesome bike paths around here, and you know, things are a little bit of a far walk, so that would have been nice, but we're gonna slowly make our way back to the ship because crew all aboard today is 4, and then we gotta get back to work. So I'm back on the ship now. It's a few hours later. It is time to socialize, so I'm all ready in one of my favorite outfits. And yeah, I'm gonna go walk around the lounges, chat with some guests. I think maybe for the last time. This might be my last team night socializing until handover, which then I'll have to socialize like every night because it'll just be 2 of us. But yeah. Last Team B socializing night. Hi vlog, it's Steven! What a gorgeous sail away to end such a wonderful day. I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone who is watching this video right now. It has been a huge task for me to film and edit my journey here on the world cruise, and I know it's taken me a little while to get all of them out to you on YouTube. But I'm just really grateful for this opportunity to share and inspire, and I hope that you will subscribe and continue to follow me along my journey, as there are only a few more episodes left of my World Cruise as Crew series. So I will see you in the next video.